Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to Pendant and Ring. Today we have a great selection of coin pendant necklaces just for you. The first one is a 1652 pirate coin pendant made from a cob coin, which is like a cylinder that they cut the end off of and then stamp. Next we have a 1775 Spanish Colonial coin. You can tell it's Colonial because of the columns on either side. This is another Spanish coin. It is from 1778 with Carlos III. This is a beautiful money clip from 1911. The coin is from Italy. Click subscribe while you're here. You can see it has stunning details. This is a George V, 1 pence. It's Maundy money given by the king directly to the citizenry. This is a 1920 Indian head nickel coin pendant necklace. This one has some beautiful dark toning. This is a 1920 Italian 10 centimes. It's got a cool bumblebee on it and a unique finish on the back. This is a 1940 Irish halfpenny with a sow and piglets on the back. This is a 1944 dime-in Mercury dime ring. These are all handmade in our workshop. The coin pendants, the rings, everything you see here unless otherwise noted. This is a 1964 Irish coin pendant. It's a half crown, and that is an Irish workhorse. This is a 1976 Guyana 5-cent. These are some beautiful coins. We're just getting into the Guyana coins, and we really like them. Thank you guys for tuning in, for watching, and have a great day.